You can speak in English with small sentences like I'll come there, you have to submit it, I can do anything. So these kinds of small sentences you can talk. But how to combine these small sentences by using relative pronouns? I'm not going to teach you any grammar lesson, but I am trying to explain something which is very useful for our conversation. After watching this video, you will get to know how to combine the sentences by using relative pronouns. For example, I'll say two small sentences. I saw a student. This is one sentence, one class or sentence. He is deaf and dumb. Okay. I saw a student. He is deaf and dumb. How to combine these small sentences by using relative pronoun? These key points are very important. Relative pronouns, so we call as. So by using who, we can combine these two clauses. Then how? I saw a student who was deaf and dumb. I saw a student who was deaf and dumb. So in this way we can combine the sentence by using who. Here who is relative pronoun. I'll say some of the relative pronouns: when, where, who, which, that. These are the relative pronouns which we use frequently. I have written some example sentences by using relative pronouns. Now I am going to read them. You can write them down. The first one is the person who stayed with me last night was my best friend. Okay, here you can find two clauses, two small clauses, right? First one is I have a best friend. He stayed with me last night. You can say like this, but when we combine these two clauses by using who, it became a big sentence. The person who stayed with me last night was my best friend. In this example, the word who relates to the person. Who, sorry for using Telugu word. The reason for not using Telugu word is many people from various states drop their comments in the comment section that they are not unable to understand my native language. That's why I stopped speaking Telugu. He is my best friend. Okay, the person who stayed with me last night was my best friend, right? So here who relates to my best friend. The driver who ran on the road without taking care of traffic signals was careless. Okay, next sentence: the pasta which we enjoyed was really delicious and tasty. Next sentence: this is the matter that they were talking about. This is the matter that they were talking about. Here we used that relative pronoun. Okay. She met the person whom she wrote a letter last month. She met the person. Who is that person? Whom she wrote a letter last month. Okay. Next, I have not taken any bill, which is my big mistake. I have not taken any bill, which is my big mistake. Here we describe something about that subject. So we use which pronoun, relative pronoun there. Then I have a best friend whose dog is very dangerous. Here we don't need to mention about dog, but I want to say something about his dog. That's why I have used their relative pronoun. Okay, I hope you have understood. The people who left their bag were not very clever. Okay, I want to say something. I want to describe about the people who left their bag. I want to describe something extra about the particular person or persons. They were very reckless. They were not very clever. Okay, in this way we can use, and some more example sentences. He was the man who saved the life of my son. Actually, he saved my son's life. So I want to give extra information about that particular person. So I said this is the man, or this was the man who saved my son's life. Okay, my uncle is the person whom the police was searching. Okay, my uncle is the person whom the police was searching. This is the book which I wanted. This is the book which I wanted. So I want this book. I have been searching for this for few days. So this is the book. Now I got this book. Oh, this is the book that I want to buy, or this is the book which I wanted. Okay. Okay. This is the house that was built by my father. This is my house that was built by my husband. Okay. This is the curry that was made by my mother. Okay. In this way you can use these relative pronouns are very, very useful to prolong our conversation, to prolong our speech, right? So whenever you want to describe something about the particular subject, you have to use these relative pronouns. Okay, don't forget to write these sentences in your diary. In this way, improve your spoken skills. Start using these relative pronouns to prolong your speech. If you like this video, please click on the like button. If you haven't subscribed to my channel so far, just subscribe now. Thank you for watching this video. Please support my channel.